Hi guys, are looking for a trading system, save your problems, save you from the hassle? SignalsView has made the daily range trading system for you. Very easy, very simple, but very powerful trading system. First of all, what you need to learn about any asset, I have the oil in the 15-minute time frame, is the average daily range. In average, the oil moves how much? In average daily, it moves 225. Today, how much it moved? Only 62, or you can read it here. It moves 227 point, and today it moved around 60 points. Okay, so basically the oil is most likely is gonna move more today. Okay, it didn't make the daily move yet. Today it moved only 28% of the average daily move, so it still has more room to go. Weekly range, it moves around $4.56. This week it moved only around 3, so this week is still below the average. Monthly range, it moved around $11. This month it moved around $9, 77% of the range, which is okay. How we can understand this system? First of all, what is the blue is the opening price? What is this blue is opening price? What is this blue is opening price? What is this number? It's the high. This day the high was 70.27. What is this number? Is the low. This day low was 69. Okay, so far so good. What are these boxes right here? Okay, so you have the daily range, and if the oil will move all the way, it will open here and just shoot up. Most likely it's gonna move around 5 boxes in average. It could move 6 or 7, but most likely it's gonna move 5 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's good. It got around the average daily range in this day. Okay, it moved around 225 points this day. 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes only. This day was quite slow. How you can take the trade? When you see this right here, this blue cloud above the green line, you take a longer position. Where is your stop loss? Below the next block. So that's a block. Okay, if you take a trade here at the blue line, your stop loss 1 block down. If you take the trade here, your stop loss below the blue line. Why? Because you are 1 block down. Where's your target? Your target, you take 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 blocks to the top side. Okay, but he said 2 or 3 or 4, 5. Which one? Simply, if you buy here, so basically that's a low. So it could move 5 blocks from this low. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's really good. Okay, someone comes late. So right here, we know it moves 5 blocks. That's one block, 2 block. Someone did buy here. Okay, so you already missed 2 blocks. So you only have 1, 2, 3 left for you. Someone decided to go and buy after 5 blocks. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 here. Decided to buy here. That's really bad. Why? Because within the day, the oil has made the full daily range. So that's very bad to buy after the oil has moved already 5 blocks. That's overbought. Okay, so if the asset moves 5 blocks to the upside, that's overbought for the day. If the asset moves 5 blocks to the down, that's oversold for the day. Don't go and trade after 5 blocks. Okay, that's done. You are too late. You are too late. Something like today, the oil is in uptrend, so we want to buy. Yesterday low indicated by this dotted line. That's automated in the system. Okay, it's not drawn manually. It's automated. So simply you trade between this low and high today. I want to buy, but I want to buy from a lower price. The high was 71.50, today is 70.80, so the oil didn't do a much of a correction. So really what I want to do is I want to wait a little bit. If oil will drop here, okay, or even further down here, okay, I would buy and go up all the way. If I catch the bottom, then my target is 5 blocks. If I buy here and it drop 1 block below, so my target is 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, guys, where's my stop loss? In the lower block. So we trade blocks. We trade blocks. That's really good. Daily trading. It's very powerful system. If you would like to get the system with 50% discount, join us at signalsview.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.